In this video, we're going to look at how a Agentforce service agent can interact with a customer and uh, put that interaction into Salesforce so that a human agent can take over and solve the customer's problem. On the right side, you see what the human customer service agent would see. I'm looking at Edge Communications, and in this case, we're looking at all of the orders that are attached to Edge, and our customer is going to come to the portal and ask questions about these orders. So the first step is to ask the agent a question. In this case, can you tell me about my orders? And what we need to have happen is a little bit of authentication. In real world, your customer is probably going through a username and password and authenticating in. In my demo here, I don't have that set up, but I do need to know who they are. So I programmed in my agent to ask for an email address so I could isolate the data. And when I do that, you can see all the orders come up and they're linked to Edge, which Sean is part of, and you can see everything there. Now I'm going to ask a follow-up question and start to interact with this agent. And I want to know when my last order was. Now the agent goes through and it pulls up and says, here's your last order. As you can see from the orders on the side, there's a lot of orders there, and there's more than what the agent gave me. Notice that Sean is assigned to that last order, so it's actually correct, but Rosa had more. So I'm going to say, you know what, I think I have more orders. Basically saying, you're wrong, I think I have more. And now the agent's going to go back and look and double check and say it's correct. But if you think about a normal customer calling in, they might not trust this or they might still think it's wrong. So I'm going to say, can I please talk to a live person? And now omni-channel kicks in and a human gets a notification and that part of the process takes over. So when your CSR looks at this, they'll see the entire history of the chat that was going on with the AI agent. And now they can interact, post a message, how can I help? And that'll come back through in the portal. And now the customer and the human agent are talking to each other. I think this is a great example for you to see how you can take data that you have in Salesforce, surface it on your customer facing website to help customers, but also help you understand that it's not always going to go perfect and the customer is going to want to talk to a human. And you can see how Agentforce allows that to happen right in the process that we saw today.